Welcome back to Opulent Recreations and your home for everything steam, sauna, and luxury wellness. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ethan, and today we're diving into one of the cleanest, most design-driven steam generators in the premium home spa market, the Kohler Invigoration Series 2.0.
Whether you're building a new steam shower or upgrading an older system, the Invigoration Series sits in a very unique category. It's premium residential, beautifully engineered, and extremely user-friendly.
Now let's talk about what this generator actually is. The Invigoration 2.0 series is Kohler's next-gen residential steam generator lineup. It's designed for homeowners who want a luxury spa-grade steam experience without needing a commercial-grade system. You get fast heat-up, steady steam output, strong temperature control, and extremely clean operation thanks to Kohler's all-stainless tank and smart cleansing features.
Now let's talk about the features, because this is where the Invigoration Series really shines. Feature 1, fast response technology. Kohler built this to produce steam in about a minute, so you're not standing around waiting for the room to warm up. Feature 2, stainless steel tank. The entire tank and heating elements are stainless steel, which means longer life, cleaner steam, and fewer mineral-related issues. Feature 3, quiet operation. Kohler engineered this unit to run incredibly quietly, which is rare for steam generators, so your steam session stays calm and spa-like. Feature 4, AutoClean system. Just like some Mr. Steam and Delta Steamist units, Kohler integrates an automatic cleaning cycle. It flushes minerals and keeps the tank running efficiently without you having to do anything. Now let's talk about the control systems. Kohler keeps things simple and clean here, which is part of the Invigoration Series appeal.
You get the benefits of integrating with Kohler's smart shower system.
The control is really straightforward. Set your temperature, set your session time, and enjoy. No learning curve.
If your bathroom uses Kohler's DTV or smart shower system, the generator connects right into it, so steam becomes part of your full digital shower experience.
And the steam heads look great, compact, modern, and available in finishes that match your bathroom fixtures.
Just place the control inside the steam room about 4 or 5 feet high and put the steam head low and away from the seating area. Same best practice as other premium brands. Now let's talk sizing, because this is one of the most important parts of picking the right steam generator. The Invigoration Series comes in a full range, from 5 kilowatts all the way up to 30 kilowatts. The popular residential sizes are 5 kilo, 7 kilo, 9 kilo, 11 kilo, and 13 kilo. As an example, the 9 kilowatts model is ideal for steam rooms up to around 240 cubic feet, depending on your material choice. If you're using marble or other heavy stone, bump up a size. And if you're using porcelain tile or ceramic tile, stick to the recommended chart.
And if you're not sure, message us and we'll size it for you. Incorrect sizing is the #1 mistake we see with steam showers. Now let's talk about installation, because Kohler designed this unit to be incredibly easy for contractors to work with. It can be installed in a closet, under a bench, in a mechanical room, pretty much anywhere within 20 feet of your steam head. It also includes overheating protection and smart internal monitoring, which keeps the system stable even under continuous home spa use.
Now let's talk about who this is actually for. If you're building a premium home bathroom or a private wellness suite, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for homeowners who want reliable, quiet steam, smooth temperature control, and minimal maintenance. In other words, a luxury experience without commercial-level complexity.
Now let's talk about how the Invigoration Series compares to other generators we've discussed here before. Versus Mr. Steam, Residential MS Series. Mr. Steam still wins on modular accessories and smart home integration, but Kohler wins on ease of operation and design consistency. Versus Delta Steamist, SMP Series. Delta offers more customization and controls. Kohler wins in simple installation and one-button usability. Versus ThermaSol Pro Series. ThermaSol is more towards the luxury end. Kohler is more plug and spa, ready for luxury residential use with minimal setup.
So if you want a sleek, reliable, fast-heating steam generator that feels premium and looks premium,
then the Kohler Invigoration 2.0 is definitely a system worth considering. It's luxurious, low maintenance, and built for homeowners who want spa-level quality in their bathroom. Thanks for watching Opulent Recreations. Make sure to subscribe for more steam and sauna guides, and check the links below to explore the Kohler Invigoration Series. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired. I'm Maya, And until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired